Hello and welcome to the 37th tutorial in the Cocos2d-x version 3 C++ tutorial series, and in this tutorial we're going to look at how to detect if a single touch has moved. This tutorial assumes you've done tutorial 36. If you haven't done already, there'll be a link in the description to the source code, or you can implement it directly into your own project, plus there'll be another link in the description to the source code produced from this tutorial. So let's just go ahead and open up our project. Once it's open, you just want to go to your hello world scene.h, and you simply just want to comment at the onTouchMoved line, because we're going to be dealing with that. We're not going to be dealing with the onTouchBegan, but you need that by default, otherwise it will crash. You'll get a runtime error. So now if we just go to here, we just need to implement our onTouchMoved function. But before we do that, just comment at this line, because we're going to be dealing with the onTouchMoved, and we need to add it to the listener. And simply just get this all in view, and now we need to just do void hello world onTouchMoved, and you just want the default parameter same as onTouchBegan. In theory you could just copy and paste that and then just slightly change it. This up slightly, and what we want to do is do cc log quotation marks in there. We're going to put onTouchMoved equals x equals %f and y equals %f and comma touch get location.x, copy and paste this and change this to a y, and now we are ready to run. And now if we just run our application, what will happen is when I click down here, you get a little message saying onTouchBegan, the X and the Y, and when I move it, you'll get loads of alerts, console logs just saying onTouchMoved and the X and the Y, depending on how much I move it. I've clicked, and as you can notice, that originally there was no onTouchMoved because I wasn't moving it, but now that I'm moving it, I'm getting loads of onTouchMoved. So it's just actively listening for every time you move it. So that's it for this tutorial. It's that simple to detect if your finger has moved. So this is great for maybe swiping. So if you want to do some sort of Candy Crush game or maybe Angry Bird game. In the next tutorial we're going to look at how to detect if a single touch has ended. If you have any questions, feel free to message us at support@sonarsystems.co.uk. There'll be a link in the description to the email. Plus you can message us via YouTube or just comment on this video. All the required links for the source code as mentioned will be in the description. And finally, thanks for watching and have a nice day.